Hello Minders, how are you? Stoic Mind is a channel that will help you change your mindset and inspire you to develop yourself. We present motivational videos from ancient philosophies and famous figures, by combining the wisdom of the past and modern insight to motivate you to be the best version of yourself. Let's start this journey of transformation together. Do not forget to like, subscribe, activate the bell for the latest update, and give your best comments, because your thoughts and insights are what make this journey is meaningful. Welcome in Stoic Mind. Have you ever felt like certain things in your life are slowly disappearing without you realizing it? Sometimes, we get so busy chasing after so many things that we forget there are aspects of life quietly fading away, until they eventually disappear completely. In this video, we will discuss 10 things that will silently disappear from your life. Let's explore together why these things are important to acknowledge and how we can wisely address them. Time is the most valuable asset yet the easiest to overlook. In Stoicism, time is something we cannot control, and therefore, we must cherish it wholeheartedly. Focus on the present moment. Don't let time slip away by regretting the past, or worrying too much about the future. Implement effective time management techniques to maximize your productivity. Without realizing it, bad habits, social influences, or life pressures can take away your freedom to choose. Stoicism teaches us to be aware of self-control and choose how we respond to every situation. Practice mindfulness, and always remember that you have the power to take actions aligned with your life goals. Don't let your life drift without direction. Opportunities in life come and go. If you don't seize them quickly, they will vanish. Stoicism reminds us that we only have the present moment to act. Don't be afraid to take risks. Sometimes, the best opportunities arise when you step out of your comfort zone. Over time, relationships with those closest to you can fade if not nurtured. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of human connections, because we are social beings who are deeply interconnected. Invest time and attention in the relationships that matter to you. Good communication and empathy are key to maintaining strong and healthy relationships. Inner peace can disappear if we become too attached to things outside our control, such as others' opinions, or the outcomes of our efforts. Stoicism teaches the importance of accepting what we cannot change. Cultivate self-awareness and don't let worries consume your mind. Meditation and relaxation techniques can help maintain calmness amidst the busyness. If you keep chasing happiness from external things, you'll find that happiness easily fades. Stoicism teaches that true happiness comes from within, from how we face the world. Seek happiness through self-fulfillment, not through material achievements. Focus on a growth mindset, and enjoy the process of your life's journey. As we grow older, our curiosity about the world often diminishes, worn down by routines and responsibilities. Stoicism encourages us to keep learning and growing. Stay curious. Never stop learning, both about the world and about yourself. Continuously develop your knowledge and skills to reach your fullest potential. Health is something we often take for granted until it starts to fade. Stoicism teaches that the body is a tool for living well, so it must be cared for properly. Incorporate healthy habits into your life. Pay attention to your diet, exercise, and sleep. Remember, health is the foundation of everything you want to achieve. Life's challenges can erode mental resilience if we're not prepared. Stoicism teaches a more fatty love of fate, and the acceptance of whatever comes in life with courage. Build your mental resilience by facing challenges gradually. Don't give up in the face of failure, instead, use it as a lesson to rise stronger. In the hustle of daily life, it's easy to forget to be grateful for what we have. Stoicism encourages us to always be grateful. Because true happiness comes from appreciating what is. Make a habit of writing a gratitude journal every day. That way, you'll focus more on the positive aspects of your life, even as challenges arise. Remember, the things that disappear from your life may be part of your growth process. By blending Stoicism with modern self-development, you can face changes wisely without losing control over your life. So, what is the one thing you've noticed slowly disappearing from your life?